Andy here, hope you are well, hope you've had a good Easter weekend, and hopefully you follow this video and by the end of it you will be able to get your chance on the hands of a cool waterproof drone. So this video is about a waterproof drone, or I should say the company of waterproof drones. They're called SwellPro and they have hit now a 7-year anniversary, and I'll just give you a little bit of background information on them. So the SwellPro story, it starts back in 2013. The founder of SwellPro, Eric Hugh, I hope I'm saying that right, has been dedicated to the research and development of waterproof cameras and hobby planes for many years. But in 2013, he came up with the idea that he wanted to invent a waterproof drone. When he travelled to the Caribbean islands, he witnessed a drone crashing into the sea, and then Eric came back to China where he began to design and manufacture waterproof drones. So the company have two drones. They have a smaller one called Spiri Plus, or I hope I'm saying that right, it's SPRY Plus. And that one's like a little bit more of an agile, kind of looks like more of a sort of fun FPV type of drone. And then you have the Splash Drone 3 Plus, which is a bit more of a drone that we're all familiar with. It's this sort of shape, a bit more like a DJI Phantom with the gimbal below and the legs. And this drone, compared to the one I just mentioned, seems to have a lot more features. It's definitely something you would be more familiar with flying, just like when you had the DJI Phantom. It has similar features to what you have now on the Mavics, like various things like return to home and follow me, etc. And so as mentioned, it is the 7-year anniversary, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link in the description, which if you click and go to that website, it will take you to the SwellPro 7-year anniversary page, and on there you will be able to look at the giveaway. You can look at the drones as well, but the giveaway is for 3 of these smaller drones that I mentioned, and it's very simple. All you've got to do is, it's like a tick list, and by going through you have to watch a YouTube video, you've got to follow them on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, etc. And the more of them you tick off, the much greater chance, it's like a ticket, if you think of how many tickets you've got a much greater chance of winning one of these 3 drones. So it doesn't cost you anything, it's just a bit of fun, and it's definitely worth going out and checking them. The drones look really cool, and I've got to admit it's something that even myself I would love to try and have a go at. Funnily enough, the very first drone I ever had, I did actually lose it in the river around my estate, and it was wrecked, and kind of ever since then I have always been a little bit wary about flying over water. And in honesty, I don't know why, even with these latest, very expensive high-tech DJI Mavic 2s, why they're not even waterproof, I have no idea. But sometimes I have been caught out by not being able to fly because it's raining, or the cautiousness of thinking, do I really want to fly over that river or lake or the sea? Then having a drone like this is definitely something that's going to be advantageous, and definitely something that I am interested in. So go over, check that link, and I'll leave a little bit of footage just so you can have a look at the company and the drones that have been in question. Thanks everyone again for watching, and see you again soon. Bye.